Okay, so let's start. So we will have 30 minutes to show you the program and answer your question. So first of all, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Valentin Brodsky, and I will introduce you the program. And so first I will introduce you the program. After that, I have asked one of our current students from the program, second year students, to Burcu Zengin. Is also in this meeting. You can see her, and she will show you the student perspective of the program. And in the remaining time, you will have opportunity to ask question, and we'll answer your question. Okay, so I prepared. Okay, so I will share with you my screen. I just prepared a short presentation, and okay. I hope you can see my slides.
Now we can see the slides.
Okay, thanks. So just very briefly about the program. I will start with a very short introduction. So my name is Valentin Brodsky. I am the head of the program, and this program is the Department of Health Policy is responsible for the program, but the program is taught in a in a cooperation with other institute of the university. For this introduction, I have just collected some lecturers from the department who are responsible for some aspects of the program. So we have Professor Renz, who is responsible for the specialization. We have a responsible person for the internship program included in this health policy program, and we have also a program coordinator who is an assistant lecturer, and we have also a program administrator who is responsible from those administrative tasks which are program specific, like the thesis submission or the final exam. Okay, so a very brief overview about the program. So so if you are here and interesting from this program, you know that the healthcare system are very complex, and you know, the financing or improving the quality or the productivity of the healthcare system are very challenging. And this health policy planning and financing programs program equips students with a theoretical background in both in health policies and health economics, and give the students comprehensive understanding of the healthcare systems. And so the students who will join this program will learn about how to conduct health economic evaluation, cost effectiveness or cost utility analysis, and how to use these results in financing decision making. And it's important that this program is a interdisciplinary program and open applicants from different backgrounds. So, for example, students with a bachelor in medicine or health sciences or economics, sociology. So it's open for many type of previous studies. And in the next, I will show you very briefly the structure of the program. So the courses can be grouped in, can be put in 3 different groups. So you will start with the general part. Discover general courses or health-related courses which are not directly related to the health policy or health economics. So you will learn about in this first group microeconomics, statistics, healthcare law, sociology, informatics, and marketing, and some management, controlling and management course. The second block is related to especially in health policy. So you will learn about in general health policy. We learn about how to finance the healthcare system, and you will learn about the strategic planning and project management in the field of the public health. The third main part of the program, this is the specialization, and this is the specialization in health economics. And this part including courses related to health economics, how to measure health, how to value health gain, how to conduct a survey research related to health economics, how to conduct health economic modeling and calculating cost utility analysis, and finally you will learn about how to use all these results in decision making and how to perform a health technology assessment. The program also includes an internship, a short internship part. So this is mandatory in the third semester. This is the 120-hour long internship, and students can join either private or governmental organization and can participate some project which is related to health policy and health economics. We have we have some partners who are offering position for this internship, and it's also so this internship is part of the program. So the program, so the first two part was the regular courses, the internship, and the third, the part of the program. This is the related to the thesis writing, and it means that all the members of the department are not just teaching, but also actively involved in different research projects, and also the student has an opportunity to join some project and write their thesis, and I listed here some example areas. And the last I would like to mention that also related to this research, participating in the research, that we have also a scientific student conference. We are part of the whole in the university student conference, but we have an health economics section, so students also can if participating in some research, they can not only can write their thesis, but also can participate in this health economic scientific student conference. And so this was my very short overview of the program. So I will give the floor to our current student, to Borcsú. So she will give you a short presentation, and after we will listen for your questions. So Borcsú, please.
Thank you very much, Professor Brodsky. Hello, my name is Burcu Zengin. I'm originally from Turkey. I graduated, my bachelor was in engineering, industrial engineering, and I worked in the field for 5 years, and then afterwards I decided to have a master's program. Health economics has always been a kind of a desire for me, a desired work career for me. This is how I started my master's in Corvinus University in this department, and hopefully next semester is going to be my last semester. I will just deliver my thesis and graduate from this program. So Professor Brodsky actually explained very, very detailed, like, how is the program, how many different kind of courses do we have and everything. And for this, for the social part of the what we are doing in health economics department, I would like to share my screen and present my presentation with you. Let's see from here. I hope now you can see it. Let me just make it like this.
Yes, I see.
So it's important to say that because I am an international student, I was accepted to this program with Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship. So during my first year, 2021, I was also enrolled with the mentorship of the scholarship program, where we got to see many different cities besides Budapest, with some national tour guides. I visited Eger, I visited Pécs, Győr, Sopron, Debrecen, and Szeged, thanks to this mentorship program of this Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship. And I also got to see the HEC, Health Economics Circle, in 2021 when once I first enrolled the master's program. So we had a Buddha walking tour with both first years and second years students and with our academicians. It was a very great time during our adaptation process, just to see the second year students, also just interact with them and get to know the academicians that soon we will take courses from. So here you can see that we are like 2021 students per each year. So it was around 50 people walking to Buddha site and, like, see the city, have a fantastic panoramic view while just interacting with each other. And then this year, being second year student, I was the president. I have still been a president of Health Economics Circle, and the first let's say the meeting was, we also got to meet in a restaurant with the first year student, but unfortunately we didn't have any photos from them. I think it was my first organization, so I was quite excited. But we also hosted Meta at Corvinus University. It was like a networking talk. Meta is one of the biggest associations in Hungary, and we talked about their health economics projects, and with Dalma Erdősi and Fruzsina Mezei, and also talked about the student circle inside Meta called ISPOR. And lastly, last semester we hold a Christmas event with our department, with our academicians, and also first and second year students. So we said farewell to the 2022 and have full ideas and great organizations welcomed 2023. For the next semester, what is the plan? It's just we are trying to have more networking events, as also our second year students soon will graduate, and stay intact with the first year students, kind of having this mentorship also in our department. So for instance, one of our second year student, Aida from Kosovo, has been also a mentor for the first year students. Basically, she's just trying to humbly advise first year students what would be great to take, for instance, as like elective classes. She helps a lot to help them to get along with the first semester and everything. So this is basically what we do in our department in student side. So if you have any other questions, you can you are welcome to ask, and I will try my best to answer.